Hello guys, you all welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be doing our eyebrows. I'll show you guys how I do my eyebrows, and if you learn something, comment below, like, subscribe and share. So here we have our eyebrow pencil, our eyebrow gel, our brush to clean up the excess concealer, our beauty blender, and our darker pencil if we want them darker at the edges. We have our concealer in different shades, our spoolie. So let's get started. You put your brows together by brushing them with your spoolie. So we start by drawing two lines very close to the natural eyebrows and then filling in. If you already have natural brows, you don't need too much filling. But this outer area, I'm filling it because I don't have enough hair in that point. So after that, you use your spoolie, you brush it to make sure it's in order. So yeah, I'll be going in with the lighter shade concealer towards the edges, and then the line towards my nose I use the darker shade, and above. When you use the concealer to clean your eyebrows, don't bring it too close to the one you drew. Just use enough concealer, but not too much. So I use this eyeshadow brush to clean up the excess concealer, or I can as well use my beauty blender. So that is it guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in my next video. Bye.